Well, it is all over at Loftus Stadium. Mamelodi Sundowns 5, Amazulu 2. Mamelodi Sundowns take all 3 points at home as they come into level points with Orlando Pirates there on top of the log, but Pirates remain on top on goal difference. This is Through Pass. If this is your first time here, please do subscribe, share, tshele nabanye wonke umuntu ukuthi sila sikuphathele okungaphathwa abaningi. Lami igama uSiboniso Sizo wakwamnikathi Sibonge, and I'm not by myself as always. Ngiphethe umsayiphoze ofana nolwazi. Sandawana.
Good evening, Bafethu. It's Sipho. And it's a wrap of a game between Sundowns and Amazulu, and a very good game of football with a lot of goals.
It's always a good game of football when we won.
It's always a good football. It's
a good game of football.
No, it was a good game of football.
Speak of a good game of football with so many goals as you mentioned. Wena uyibone kanjani igame yanamhlanje?
I think it was a good game on Sundowns' perspective, because I think today they were imposing themselves on Amazulu. Then they remained very patient when Amazulu opted to apply a mid-low block, in ensuring that Sundowns doesn't get a lot of spaces, but intensity Sundowns until they were able to get a goal. And then Amazulu started to play now as a muta aphume out of ilo block yabo, and then that opened up the game, which led to a transition near free kick second goal Yamkwen, and then the game was wide open from then on, because it was more of an open game. Amazulu didn't play like a team Sabayo, which is why Sundowns now were able to more chances and eventually more goals.
A very open game, but I will not be doing justice if I rush to the second goal, which was great as well. But the first goal, Leon, what do you call that thing? What do you call that thing?
No, it's a striker's goal. Yeah, it's a striker's goal, and for him, I think we were neskashana la and then he only scored penalties when they played against Maromokala. And so coming today, we very now into Ulambile for a goal, and Ipola fell very, very kindly for him, and he did a very good volley there, and the keeper was very late to react.
Yeah.
In fact, to react, already. Yeah, so yeah, it was a very good goal for him.
There are so many outcries as far as goalkeeper Amazulu is concerned. Gendlela conceded ngayo amagoli, and omunye umuntu ngathi some of the goals that Amazulu conceded today could have easily been avoided.
Yeah, I don't know how this guy was able to get into Amazulu #1 when I think they only signed him this season, and seemingly he's going to be their #1, because I think he has played all of their games. Whereas they still have always on the bench. I know Johnson is injured, but I don't understand why a person is signed now and then he's becoming a #1 goalkeeper when always has been at Amazulu. Why not give always a chance to play? But angazi how do they make a selection in terms of former goalkeepers? But he was very poor in a lot of situations. Sometimes where Sundowns were not able to capitalize, but you could see he's very uncomfortable with the ball.
We go to halftime. Sundowns is leading 2-0. Comes back. Amazulu are also saying, no, we are not here. We also want to score. Ingwenya. It's a imlo.
Yeah, Ingwenya, he always find himself at the right time. I mean, it's the right space at the right time. So yeah, it was a cross coming in from the left hand side. I think it was Anamo and Ukoza ushayibhola kancane more center back clear ibhola. I think nayi emphasis ukuthi enza sure ukuthi ibhola liyagcwala onyaweni khona lizohamba, but Ukoza uvela liqhisa kancane and then lawela kuNgwenya nayo he kicked it to the walking foot ubengakhahleli kodwa ubevele funa igol because he was looking for ibhola wangalithola, and then Ukoza walibuyisela kuyena, and then he found in net lap, which is a good sign for him, because I think he has more than 3 goals now in the league since he started.
Ukhale ngamagoli anamhlanje wathi what you are witnessing namhlanje is something similar to what you saw last season when Sundowns was playing Siwelele as far as conceding is concerned, because you are able to score goals, but you are also conceding goals. And Williams keep conceding these goals. Ati ubaba Msibi, thoughts please.
Yeah, Williams angazi first noma ngizothi uyithwele noma ngizothi kanjani, but there is something wrong with him. He looks like he's very relaxed. Unalento ukuthi ayabona ukuthi ngazi uyena ophethe kwi-goalkeeping department ku-Sundowns, because even i-body language yakhe when he does these things akhombisa uyisola like kuqhubeka usuku like nothing happened, more especially in the second goal. I understand ibhola belisemoyeni, but uma kuthiwa ukhulumile at least ama-center back akhe would have known ukuthi enze react kanjani. One of them would have went ahambe ovala ipali uma liyashweba ibhola, because bekungathi ibhola uyalithola and then washiyasha umpuku. Next thing khona ungwenya la, then ubekila ukhoza qala phansi ukuthi uyokhava. Ungwenya has control of the ball and then it's a goal. Yeah, and they are keeping on conceding these type of goals. It's match day 4 now. They are on par with points the Pirates, but they are trailing with 1 goal after scoring a lot of goals like this, and then you concede 2 goals. Yeah. So 7-0 move. I think and I hope bazo deal now, because last season it was one of the factors with match day 29 and 30 being nice show no by win any league. And then as a result, they ended up losing against the TS Galas because their goal difference was not superior. They tried against Suwelele, but they considered almost half of the goals they scored. In fact, more than half of those goals. So, and I hope by Tilana Lentole.
Consent that everybody been talking about. Namhlanje we are also live in the morning talking about the officiating and the professionalization of the officiating in South African football. And I also noted how you were crying ngama yellow card namhlanje. One could say ukuthi referee held the game exceptionally, but what would be your response to that?
It becomes boring. These guys basebenza lapha, and they should minimize amaphutha. Not like every game same thing happens. Every game same thing happens, and they sometimes decide ama game. And mina I'm tired ukulo ngikhuluma ngabo. Kuba ngathi manje you against the ball, or maybe ubona ngathi abayenze kahle when it's your team or it's not your team. So even yesterday bekukhulunywa ngawo, nange weekend ukhulunywa ngawo, siya ku weekend ezayo futhi uzokhulunywa ngawo. And we shouldn't be talking about referees. In fact, we should talk about players abadlala ibhola and tactics ocoach abawafaka makudlala game.
Man of the match, Matthews.
Uthini man?
What a player.
Yeah, he contributed a lot, but I beginning to Leon mina, because he scored the praise and he was very instrumental even ngokudlala phambili. But ngiyambongela uMethusi as well.
He scored a goal and assisted twice.
Yeah, ngiyambongela ngalokho.
What a player.
Yeah, he's a good player for Sundowns, but sometimes ngifeel ngathi
there's no but.
Angisingakhuluma mfethu, ungangiphazamisa. Ngithi mina he's a good player, but kwamanye amalanga mfethu ubuye edlale ngathi nje akekho serious, yabo. That's why sometimes ngishenze kahle kumina kuba nzima ukuthi ngimncome, because he only do good after a lot of blunders, yabo. And he's a forward player who is supposed to be deciding ama games positively for his Sundowns, but sometimes we say move.
Khona ingwenye ngizikhala zithi hayi umshishi ishayile manje.
Ibhlungu lezi akuzwale pheze. Ibhlungu. I can feel how he feels. Yazi ukuthi now nje ungasayithembi mawubona ipali. Yeah, I think there were like 3 chances today that he ebengawasebenzisa ukuthi athole igoal, and it's been almost 3 years now ngakora uzwana kwi-league. I don't know if we are aware of that stats. So uDukados
ingane neminyaka u3 ayikazi umbona uThemba Zwane ekora.
Yeah, uDukados emncinci i-game time manje izommotivate uKadoso lento ukuthi angamnikeza ngempela i-game time when it matters the most. If ezwe kukora ama-chances, even ama-chance lawo sibona ngathi alula yabo. And yeah, so bona.
In defense, but maybe one could say with the injury does also have an effect. Low 3 years. Lo muntu ke wangadlala elimele and the age is not on his favor.
Yeah, we can also say that. But uyawathola amathuba mfethu. He really gets some opportunity. Angasadlali vele amagame amaningi in these 3 years. But uyawathola amathuba mina uyawasebenzisa.
Well, here's what I know as a fact is that Amakhosi were also here kwaMashu and they played a 2-2 draw. But a stubborn Kaizer Chiefs held the Richards Bay into a draw. And that terminology is because the Kaizer Chiefs was playing away. Richards Bay was at home. Another thing that is happening this weekend, I'm not going to ask you about it. Sundowns is coming to Mangosuthu. What Kingswell? Why do I say Mangosuthu? Emlazi. They are coming to Emlazi. But what we know just now is that Mamelodi Sundowns took all 3 points, but a clean sheet said nyala. From me now, mfana kamnikazi uKapelo ugcotha ijomba nomaqoqo kobe lihlangene ngithi hebe wena uthini
Asibonge.